Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're going to look at PrestaShop and Shopify, two platforms that people use to build online stores. So, if you're a beginner or trying to figure out which one is right for you, this video will make it very easy to understand. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You will also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, let me give you a quick overview of both platforms. PrestaShop is a self-hosted tool. You download it, set it up on your own hosting, and then build your store. It gives you a lot of control, and you can customize almost everything. Because of that, it can feel a bit technical, especially if you have never created a website before. Now, Shopify, it works in a very different way. It is already hosted online, so you don't need to install anything. You just sign up, choose your design and your products, and your store is ready. It is simple, clean, and made for people who want an easy start without dealing with technical tasks. Let's look at features. PrestaShop gives you a huge flexible options to choose or huge flexibility. You can choose from many themes and change your store in almost any way you want, but a lot of the important features come through add-ons. So you might spend a little extra money to get everything you need. Shopify keeps everything simple. It comes with all the main tools already built in, like product management, checkout, inventory tracking, analytics, and marketing tools. You can still install apps if you want more features, but most beginners will find everything they need from the start. Let's talk about the experience of using both platforms. PrestaShop can feel a little challenging in the beginning because you have to manage your hosting and your updates. It's really good for people who like full control, but it might be hard for someone who just wants to open a store quickly. Shopify is very beginner friendly. The dashboard is easy to understand, the setup is fast, and everything is already organized. Now, you don't have to worry about hosting or security because Shopify handles all of that for you. This makes it a great choice for anyone who wants a smooth and simple workflow. Finally, let's talk about pricing. PrestaShop has a classic plan that is free to download. The hosted plan starts at 24 euros per month, and then the enterprise plan starts at 2115 or 2115 euros per month. Shopify offers the basic plan, $25 per month. The Grow plan, $65 per month. The advanced plan is $399 per month, and the Plus plan, $2,300 per month. So, which one should you choose? If you enjoy having full control and you do not mind learning how to manage hosting or install extra features, then PrestaShop might be a good fit for you. But if you want something simple, easy, and ready to use right away, then Shopify is the better choice. It removes the stress and helps you start selling fast. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You'll unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.